The Planning Commission, as far back as April 1962, nearly 3 years ago, emphasized the need to make a thorough investigation into this question of developing agro industries and not merely make an investigation but also suggest various measures which should be undertaken immediately for the purpose of developing our rural industries and our rural economy based on agriculture so that the acute problem of unemployment and underemployment in our rural areas may be fairly and effectively tackled. Therefore, the Planning Commission appointed a committee called the Rural Industries Planning Committee in April 1962. It was a very high power committee consisting of the deputy chairman of the Planning Commission and the ministers of Commerce and Industry and Community Development and the members of the Planning Commission dealing with agriculture and industries. This Rural Industries Planning Committee immediately set up a standing committee for the purpose of keeping continuous vigilance on the development of our rural industries for the purpose of giving continuous guidance also to the Planning Commission for this purpose. The Standing Committee considered the entire approach to be adopted and they formulated a scheme for the projects for intensive development of village and small scale industries in the rural areas. I think it is a very remarkable study and survey of the entire problem, and I would, if the honorable members so desire, make these schemes of the Standing Committee of the Rural Industries Planning Committee available to them. It deals with the subject from the point of view of objectives. First of all, our objectives is a build a viable rural economy in which not only agriculture and irrigation are to be developed but along with that a whole set up of industrial complex based upon our agriculture based upon our rural conditions would be developed, and they would be not merely of the stereotyped pattern of khadi and amber charkha and so on, but of a diversified pattern for the purpose of producing a viable economy in the villages so that in vast parts of the country, even where agriculture is fairly efficient, where we have a large number of unemployed persons, agriculturists, and also non agriculturists could be given full time employment. The whole objective is to produce this type of economy which will contribute towards solving this acute problem of unemployment overall.